Strongly bullish SLDP gained 46.75% in the post-market session of Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025, with an intraday high of $8.86. Okay, so the stock was equally trending at some point, and it was down to the announced collaboration the company now has with Samsung SDI and BMW to co-develop all solid-state battery technology. The announcement sparked optimism that the partnership could serve as a key milestone toward commercial validation of the company's technology, a major step in the ongoing race to produce safer, more energy dense batteries for electric vehicles. Community discussions emphasized that this alliance with two global automotive battery giants could accelerate the company's pathway to commercialization, enhance its credibility in the EV ecosystem, and potentially attract further institutional interest. Bulls view the partnership as a vote of confidence from established industry players, suggesting the company could evolve from a speculative play to a strategic technology leader within the energy storage space. However, sentiment isn't unanimously positive. Some traders warn that the stock's recent spike may invite short-term profit taking, giving us the stock's history of volatility and the long timeline for large-scale production. Others argue that the deal strengthens the company's long-term outlook, execution risks, and capital requirements may remain key concerns. However, discussions among traders and investors, mostly investors, also touch on sector-wide implications as they look at how this collaboration could influence competitors in the solid-state battery race, such as QuantumScape and Factorial Energy. Many are watching to see if this move signals a shift toward broader commercialization across the solid-state segment, potentially marking a turning point for battery innovation in the EV industry. Okay, so the gain is now 46.57%. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to the strength it has now will may remain in place at least up till the 13th of November. Okay, up till that time, the momentum will also remain sustained. Yeah, and but after that, it may begin to decline, and there's a good chance that the stock may drop below its 10-day moving average if this holds. If this turns out to be like this, it may drop below its 10-day moving average. That moving average is rising 4.82 points every day. Okay. Okay. So all those the 10 and the 21-day moving average, and indeed all of its moving averages are now are trending robustly. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are currently in profit. Okay, so a key pivotal projection. The stock has surpassed that. It has surpassed these projections. These are, let me see, 8.39. So there's a good chance it may continue to even advance further. There's a good chance that may happen. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see. Okay, it's had a rejection there. Yeah, it's had a rejection, and the extrapolation is saying it may pull back. And then, yeah, just a consolidation is what is being extrapolated here. There's a downward projection of $6.77. Okay, there are also high projections: 9.16, 10.59, 11.47. Did we see any on this daily chart? Let's see. Did we see anything like that on the daily chart? No, no, for the upper projections. Yeah, okay. So yeah, just given that it has tested this, the extrapolation is saying that it may advance slightly further. Even though it's not being validated on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, let's see if it has anything on its weekly chart. Okay, there isn't anything. There's not enough data, no projections here on the weekly chart. Okay, so that's what's going on. The stock was trending at some point. Yeah, and I don't think this market is that active at the moment. Okay, it's quite active. People are trying to. Well, it's more of an aggressive positions. I think aggressive lots we are seeing here. People are actually expecting to see, yeah, okay, 8.28, yeah, 8.49, yeah, yeah, 8.66, 8.75. So yeah, it's, yeah, see what I mean on on its daily chart, that there's a pivotal projection here. This projections here 8.36. So it's a pivotal projection. It's currently at 8.23. So yeah, it has actually tested it. It has blown through that. So that there's that probability that it can still do it again. 8.86. Let's see. 8.28, 8.49, 8.66, 8.75, 8.86 past. Okay, people are not. Okay, that's the farthest that's the farthest. Yeah, they're not that ambitious. Okay, so just that's what's going on. Just have a look and see what you make of SLDP. And thank you very much for watching this video.